Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today will be the last video of your chapter 3. Okay, so now we need to discuss about LCM. LCM, that is least common multiple. So short form for least common multiple, we call it as LCM. Okay, so how did we find HCF? We first found the prime factors just by taking the division method like this individually for all the numbers. We found the prime factors, and then out of these prime factors which are common, you are going to get that, and that will be your highest common factor. Okay, all right, so out of these, here we have 2 times 2 common, so for this it will be 2 cross 2, it is 4. All right, so when you go for prime, you need to find prime factors. So what are prime factors? Yes, prime factors are those factors which are, see, for 20 you have how many, what are the factors? You have 1 first, okay, and then you'll have 2, then 3, no, 4, yes, okay, you have 4, you have 5, and you have 10, 20, isn't it? So you have big factors also, but the prime factors are those factors. You have 4 also, see, this 4 can be split into 2, isn't it? So this 4 is not a prime factor of 20. 10 is also not a prime factor of 20, isn't it? Because you can split this number still more. Okay, so prime factors, the method to find them, it is by division method or the T model, what we have discussed in the last video. Okay, what, hope you understood. You have many factors for 20 other than 2 to 5. Okay, you have other factors 10, 20. Okay, but these factors are not prime. You call the prime factors whenever that factor is not, you can split that factor still more, then it is called a prime factor. Okay, so like this, by using the prime factorization, you have found your, you can easily find your HCF by using by finding the prime factors of each number and get the common from them. Okay, common factors from them. Okay, now it's time for us to see what is your LCM, how to get it, how to get LCM by factorization method. And first let's see by normal method. Okay, what is LCM? It is least common multiple, isn't it? So that you have 3 and 4. So for 3 we have multiples. 3 multiples means you need to get your what table, just remember. Okay, if I get factors of 3, it is only 1 and 3. Okay, these are factors, whereas multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That is basically 3 table. 3 1s is 3, 3 2s is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15, 3 6 18, and so on. Okay, so similarly multiples of 4 are, we want multiples here, least common multiple, not factors. Okay, all right, so what about multiples of 4? You have 4 1s is 4, 2 4 2s 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 16, 4 5s is 20, 4 6 24, 4 7s 28, and so on. Okay, so you have found the what multiples of 3 and 4. So just compare between these two. You have 12 common, isn't it? 24 is there, and if you write further more numbers, you will get more common multiples. Okay, you want to know after 24 which is a common multiple between 4 and 3. So you have 24. After 24 you can what is the next number? It is 27, right? Multiple of 3 is 27. Next 30, and then 33, isn't it? And so on. Okay, what about more multiples of 4? After 28 you'll have 32, okay, 36. So you'll get 36 as the next common multiple. So in 3 table you have it after 33 you'll get 36, isn't it? And so on. So the next common multiple would be 36. Okay, so already we had seen how to get your common multiples. So here, out of all these multiples, that is 12, 24, 36 and more, 12 is your least common multiple. Okay, so least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. This is when you go for finding the multiples and taking common between them. Okay, easiest method how to find your LCM is to go by your factorization method. Okay, so this does become little bit tedious work, but if you go by prime factorization method, it is very easy. Okay, so the numbers given are your 3 and 4, isn't it? So what is prime factorization method? You are going to divide the number, isn't it? In HCF we used to find take individual numbers and find the factors like this, isn't it? But in LCM you will take the numbers together and just divide them together. So first is, if I take 2, 3 is not there in 2's table, so take 3 as it is down. So this is, it is there, so 2 2's as 4, isn't it? Okay, the next thing is, again if you have 2 here, so again your 3 will not go in 2's table, so it is keep 3 as it is. You have 2 ones is 2, okay, and you have 3 ones is 3. So you will go and divide the numbers until you get 1. Alright, so what you will do, you will just multiply this 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 1. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by this 1 multiplied by 1. Okay, so anyway 1 and 1, it will be on the same number. So 3 2 6, 6 2 12, isn't it? By this method also we got 12. By this, we're just finding out the multiples and just finding the common, it is 12. So this will become a bit difficult for you to do, okay, to find the multiples and get the common. Alright, so easily you can go is by the LCM method. So if this was a small number, so we could find out multiples and common we got very easily. But if you have numbers like like this big numbers 24, 90, so you need to go and write your factors, sorry, multiples, isn't it? So 24 multiples will be 24, 48, then and so on. You need to write 90. So you can't find the common for this big numbers very easily. You need to go, so you need to go on write the factors and get them. So this will become a little bit tough for you. So just always try to follow your prime factorization method, in that again division method. Okay, so it will be easy. So how you'll go now, LCM of, I need to find LCM of 24 and 90. Okay, let me do this and show you how you'll do it. So for LCM, what you will do, if they ask you to find HCF of 24 and 90, what you will do, you will take individually 24 and 90 and find prime factors, and out of them which is a common, you will do like that. But for LCM, you will take 24 and 90 together and go for dividing with the smallest factor. So it will go by 2. 2 ones is 2, 2 twos is 4, 2 fours is 8, 2 fives is 10. So this 12 is there, again it will go by 2, 2 6 is 12. Since there is 45 is not there in 2 table, you will keep as it is. Okay, you will copy the same as it is down. So this is 2 3s is 6, and then 45, it is not there in 2's table, so again you write 6. Now this is divisible, this is there in 3 table, right? So 3 ones are 3. This 45 also is there in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s is 15, isn't it? 3 5s 15. Now this will go by 3 again, so 3 5s is 15. Now you'll take by 5, so you will go and divide until you get 1 1. Okay, so since you have two numbers, taking two numbers together, if that number is not divisible or it is not there in that table, so you'll copy the same as we did here. Okay, all right, so now what you need to do, just multiply all these prime factors. You will get your prime factors of both 24 and 90. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times you have 2, and 3 2 times into 5 into 1. Okay, so just multiply. This is 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 8 3's 24, 24 3's is 24 into 3, 4 3's 12, 3 to 6 72 into 5, 5 to 10, 7 5 35, 36. So you have got 360 as a least a common multiple of what? 24 and 90. Okay, I hope you understood this, how to find the LCM. Alright, in our Zoom meeting we can do many problems, but just you need to know that what is the procedure you need to keep in your mind. Okay, prime factorization method, how you will do and how it is used for your both to find HCF and LCM. Okay, all right, I think we can take one more problem for today's class and it'll line up. Let me take 40, 56 and 60. So let us find HCF also and also LCM of these numbers. All right, so for HCF, what to find, let us first find HCF. So HCF, to find HCF, I will take individually division of all these three numbers like this. Okay, so I've got these as prime factors. For this, 2 2's 4, 2 8 16, 2 1's is 2, 2 4's is 8, 2 7's is 14, and it will go by 7, that is 7 1's is 7. What about 60? 2 3's is 6, 0, 2 1's is 2, 2 5's is 15. So this 15 will not go by 2, by 3 it will go, yes. So 3 5's is 15 and 5 1's is 5. So until we get 1, you go on divide. So you have factors for 40 as how much? What? 2 2 2 5. What about factors, prime factors of 56? 2 2 2 7. Prime factors of 60, it is 2 2 3 and 5. Okay, and 1 will be there for all the numbers. So common between all these three numbers for what? 40, this is for 56 and this is for 60. These are common factors, isn't it? That is prime factors, sorry, prime factors for the all these numbers are these. So if we want to find the highest common factor, so what was the thing I told you? Just take which are common in 3. Okay, so but this is not there in 2, one more 2 is not there in 60 as a prime factor. So your common that is highest common factor will be 2 cross 2, that is equal to 4. Okay, so for the same numbers, let's find out the LCM. Okay, so LCM of 40 is 40, 56 and 60. So for HCF we took individually to find the prime factors. Now for LCM, what you will do, you will take all the numbers together like this. Okay, so you will go by the least factor, that is 2 1's is 2, sorry, 2 2's is 4. So 2 20s is 40, and 2 2s 4, 1 will be remaining 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. Okay, just dividing the numbers. 2, it is how many divided by 10, isn't it? 10 2s is 20, so 2 1s is 2, 2 4s is 8, 2 1s is 2, 1 is remaining, it will become 10, 2 5s is 10. Okay, so further till again with 2 you can do. So 2 5s is 10, 2 7s is 14, and 15 is not there in your 2's table, or that is, it is 15 is not divisible by 2, so you'll write 15 as it is. Okay, so after that 3, yeah, with 3 you can take this 15 is there, so your 5 is not there in 3 table, so take 5 as it is. 7 is also not there, then this 15 is 3 5s is 15. Okay, and the next 4 you don't have, 5 you need to take, so 1 5 ones is 5, and here 5 ones is 5. Now at last with 7, 7 ones are 7. Okay, this is how you got at last 1 as the remainder. Now, so your least common multiple is nothing but, how many 2's are there? 1 2 3, all these you need to just multiply. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 1 you can take. Okay, so just find this multiplication. 2 2 4, 4 2 8, 8 to 16, 8 is 24, 24 into 5 is 5 4 is 20, 5 2 is 10, 11 12, 120 into 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7, 8, 840. So the least common multiple of this will be your 840. Okay, 40, 56 and 60, that is the least common multiple. Okay, all right, so this was the end of your unit 3. We will do many more problems on each and every part of the this chapter 3. Okay, in your Zoom meeting, that it on HCF also and LCM, we will do many problems. Okay, until we meet again, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.